Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share an instant tiffin recipe. We are going to make these lovely spongy and crispy Ragi Bun Dosas. So let's get started and check it out. For the batter, to a bowl take half cup of ragi flour and half cup of suji rava. I am using a 125 ml measuring cup for this recipe. Lightly mix the ragi flour and the rava together. Next, add half a cup of sour curd. Now mix everything together. At this stage, the mixture will look dry, which is quite normal. Now gradually add water and mix well until everything comes together. Now I've used around half cup of water, but you can adjust the quantity depending on the consistency. The batter should be smooth and free of lumps. Now if needed, add a little extra water. The suji rava will absorb the moisture as it rests, making the batter thicker over time. Using sour curd for this recipe will give the dosa a wonderful texture and flavor. So if you have sour curd at home, I highly recommend you use that. Once the batter is smooth, set it aside and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This allows the rava to soften and absorb all the moisture. If you've tried any interesting ragi-based recipes, do let me know in the comment section. Now after 15 minutes, transfer the batter to a mixer jar, add a little water and grind it to a nice, smooth, silky batter consistency. Once done, pour it back into a mixing bowl. Now it's time to prepare a flavorful tempering that takes this dosa to the next level. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 2 teaspoons of chana dal and about 10 cashew nuts chopped into small pieces. The cashews are optional, but they do add a lovely crunch and richness. Saute them until they turn to a lovely golden color. Next, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they begin to splutter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute briefly until aromatic. Now add 1 large onion finely chopped, followed by 2 large green chilies finely chopped and a few curry leaves chopped into small pieces. Keep the flame on low throughout this process. We don't want the onions to become soft and mushy. Just a light saute for about a minute is enough. Next, add 1 medium-sized carrot that has been finely grated and a small cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well and cook for about another minute. Now season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Stir everything together gently, turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Once it's cooled down, add it to the prepared ragi batter and mix thoroughly. To improve the texture, add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. I haven't added any salt while grinding the batter, so now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Just before making the dosas, add a quarter teaspoon of cooking soda or baking soda. This helps create that signature soft and fluffy bun-like texture. Give the batter a final mix. The consistency should be similar to regular dosa batter, not too thick or too runny. Now our batter is ready. To make the bun dosa, I'm using a small tempering pan. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil and allow it to heat up. Pour a ladleful of the batter into the center. Cook on medium-low flame. This step is very important because the dosa is thicker than the regular dosa and needs time to cook through properly. Cooking slowly ensures that the center becomes soft, fluffy, while the exterior develops a beautiful golden crust. Once it's cooked on one side and it's got that lovely golden brown color, carefully flip it to the other side. You can use a small spatula, a spoon or a fork, whatever's convenient for you. Take your time and let both sides cook evenly. Wow, just look at that. The bun dosa is beautifully cooked with that lovely golden color. Once both sides are done, remove from the pan and repeat it with the remaining batter. And there you have it, soft, fluffy and absolutely delicious instant ragi bun dosas are ready to be served. The outside is wonderfully crispy while the inside is soft like sponge. Every bite is packed with flavor. So we have a variety of ragi recipes on our channel. I'll give you all the links in the description. You can check them out. If you're looking for something nutritious, filling and easy to make, then this instant ragi bun dosa is exactly what you need. Well, it's time to taste these yummy and spongy bun dosas. Well, they look incredible. Today I am serving it with some nice coconut chutney because I love this combination. Yummy. It's so nice and crispy on the outside and it's so soft and so spongy. It's cooked beautifully with all these lovely flavors. Well, I definitely can't stop eating at this moment. Incredibly tasty. Well, you definitely should try this recipe and enjoy, of course. So here is a great, tasty, instant tiffin recipe that you can try. And of course, it's with ragi. Make sure to follow all the steps and tips that I have showed you to get it perfectly. Do try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.